This video tutorial I will explain HTTP response. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is like a set of rules that computers on the internet has to follow in order to communicate with each other. HTTP is a language that computer use to exchange information. Response is nothing but answer or reply. When you ask a question or make a request on the internet, like clicking the link or opening a web page, when you do that, the computer on the other end sends back a reply with the information you wanted. That is nothing but response. HTTP response is nothing but the reply or answer that your computer receives from another computer after making a request. Another computer is nothing but web server. The response contains the information you asked for, like web page, image, or data. For example, when you enter the web address in your browser and hit on enter button, your browser sends the request to the website's server. The server then sends back the HTTP response, which is the web page you see on your screen. In simple terms, HTTP response is like the internet's way of answering your questions and giving you the information you want, whether it is a web page, an image, or something else. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.